Don Cándido. 4 stars. The Cándido Hotel has become a landmark hotel in the Valles area, featuring an unusual circular floor plan which provides perfect lighting to each room. There is a spa and elegant rooms with designer decor. Don Cándido is located in the city of Terrassa, 25 minutes drive from Barcelona and El Prat International Airport. The circuit of Catalunya and Montmeló is 20 minutes by car. Everything was very good. Clean room, comfortable bed, excellent bathroom. 7 minutes walk to Terrassa and FGC station. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Really nice hotel, delicious breakfast, clean rooms, staff really friendly and helpful. Habitación confortable y silenciosa. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.